Hey guys, today we are playing the really easy hobby. I'm Jordan. Yeah, Bryce just joined my server. He's right here. He's a gray bunny. Anyway, let's go. Bryce, you turned into a noob. Okay, now we're gonna do this stage. I'm gonna have to wait because Bryce just made all the things disappeared. But just finish my sentence. Wait for me at the top. I know I'm right behind you. You're so far away from me. This is the difficult stage. I hate this stage. Hi. You're so far. I went the other way. I just fell! Guys, I'll come back to you once I finish this stage. And Bryce, wait for me. Oh, you spawned just... Okay, so we're on the next stage. Bully pink ones. Okay, it's all the light pink ones, Bryce. Yeah? I actually just did that. Not on purpose, though. Come back to when Bryce is here. Okay! Here, now we get to go. You almost just fell, I saw that. He said something. Oh, he said 5-IX. 5-ish. I just died. Where? At the stage that we're at. I know. What? No, not the one with the pattern. The one with like the invisible stuff. You didn't finish it. I'm going. I'll wait for you on the next stage. Ooh, parkour. Oh, you left. Okay, so Bryce isn't getting free anymore. So somebody's username is Wicked Baby. After this. I'll be waiting for you in the server. Okay. I'll be playing zombie. Yay! Okay. Now we're on these jumpy things. Oh, and to update y'all in this game for I don't know, 840 seconds. So. Yes.
We have no batteries for the lights. I just looked. I thought we had a whole thing of double A's, but I guess we don't.
I'll just get him.
Right here.
They're in the bar.
Oh, these are all yucky. They might not work at all. That's bad. Crash.
Okay, not going slow and steady.
What stage are you on, remember?
Stage 9. Now I'm on stage 9, yeah.
Stage.
I'm like, this stage is difficult. This one, I don't get it.
Yeah. Oh my god.
What the heck? Oh, somebody destroyed it all. That's why. More like it. And it gets destroyed up at this right here. How am I gonna get up?
You spawned noobs in the zombie world.
We spawned noobs everywhere. I think Roblox made that happen. So why do we have
Roblox made
amphitheaters?
that.
Oh my gosh. I just oh my god. What did I just do? I have to go back. There's no going back. Okay, you know what? Jumping down. We're gonna wait until this is all done. Okay, now we can go. It's like going by itself. If I hit my head on it, it's gonna break. So alright. Stage 10. Ooh. I'm probably gonna be on this city for quite a while, so I'm gonna come back to you once I finish. Okay, all down with dance. Do the assistants disappear? No, we're just climbing stairs.
Bad guy said there is a something.
My dad texts you. I'm gonna be in this space for quite a while, so see you.